Welcome back to Solution Junkie. Have you ever had an old Facebook account you can't access? And you're kind of embarrassed of your old pictures and posts on that Facebook account, but you can't access it anymore? Don't worry, I got the solution. In this video, I'll show you how to delete an old Facebook account that's no longer accessible. To start, we need to access the profile of the old Facebook account. Open Facebook and make sure your current account is active. Search for your old account using the search bar at the top. Once found, click on the three-dot icon next to Messages and select Report Profile. Choose Pretending to be Someone and select Me. Click Submit to report the profile. Facebook will review your report and the account may be deleted within hours or days. Simple and easy, right? This has been Solution Junkie. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay updated on our latest uploads. If you have any questions or video recommendation, leave them down below.